guys, welcome back to Scott Family Restoration. The Beetle won't start because somebody forgot to unplug the battery last night.
Should have to unplug the battery.
Well, if you would have, it would start. And he's about to do a friend's oil change, and we have to get the Beetle out of here.
And I want to drag it out.
But he just won't listen to me, and just let us push it out for now.
AKA show it off. I'm leaving. I'm back. Welcome back to another episode of This Is My Little Short Wife.
I'm average value.
For a toddler.
Update, it starts. Headlights. Ignore the tire. It died because he left the radio on.
And it don't even work, so you can't tell it's on. But when I unplugged the battery, I heard the radio go boom. Also,
Rookie mistake over here.
I can't remember.
Now we have to get this bad boy out of here.
No bueno. On that handle and I'll push the tire. Oh, well when I wanted to move it, she did not want to move for the life of me. Alright. Oh. What are we looking like? We gonna hit the door?
We got turn.
Yep. Yeah, you're pro. Here's our next problem. Yeah!
Car's out, now we're just waiting for the friends to show up.
It's a mess.
They're not coming anymore, so we just did all that for no reason. Now we gotta move it back inside. Yay!
Not good.
And again, we have to take the truck out because they changed their mind and now they're coming here. Whoop-de frickin' doo-doo. And we did it! Again. Ow, my hands are cold.
It's getting easy though. Now.
Now let's see if they come.
Look at.
Look at it. You're starting to get fucking bingo bango.
Oh, push.
New to this, guys.
No, you're good, Tony. You
I
can't.
got newspaper in the back of my trunk.
Oh, don't worry. I got dirt all over it.
Terrible.
Well, oil pan. I don't think it overfilled. It just didn't accept how fast oil came out.
Looks like a fucking crime scene. Looks like